Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar rose against the yen to resume its recent ascent after Japan's top central bank official signalled further monetary policy tightening was on the horizon, but was vague on the timing of any such hike. Oil prices climbed more than $2 a barrel after news that crude production at Norway's Johan Sverdrup oil field had been halted, which added to earlier gains stemming from the escalation of the Russia-Ukraine war. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 rebounded, recovering some losses as investors anticipate quarterly earnings from AI leader Nvidia, and Tesla jumped on the prospect of favourable policy changes from the incoming Trump administration. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.